Ronnie, you're getting late for school. Hurry up and get ready. I am bringing your breakfast.
Mom, please, 5 more minutes. I am playing game.
Ronnie, it is not proper time to play game. You will get punishment if you will be late.
Sorry, Mom, I'm getting ready. Mom, I'm ready. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends! Today I am going to discuss an AI tool by which you can create talking animations of characters with real expressions. As you watched video in the start, I will show you how to create it.
Open website hedra.com and click on Try Beta. Write prompt here for the required character. Click on Generate Video. It will generate video in few minutes. Video is generated. Let's play it.
Ronnie, you're getting late for school. Hurry up and get ready. I am bringing your breakfast.
You can also upload your own character image here for video. Or you can create images using ChatGPT. Here I have uploaded an image that I have already created using ChatGPT. Now I will write script for the video in left panel to generate video.
Mom, please, 5 more minutes. I am playing game.
Here I am writing another script for scene 3.
Ronnie, it is not proper time to play game. You will get punishment if you will be late.
This is another image I am uploading for scene 4. Here I am writing script again. LSO, I will select voice from options given.
Sorry, Mom, I'm getting ready.
This is last image I am uploading for scene 5 of video. Here I am writing script.
Mom, I'm ready. Bye-bye.